should I play? I should play Breath of the Wild. Here we go. It's glitchy. Now I'm gonna break it.
Why did you break my TV now?
I did.
Oh, no, how dare you break the TV? That's it. You're drowning for 80 years. Go to your room now.
See us at www.youtube.com/DotandDale.